over here, I'm looking at the Commodore 64 in a joystick that came out in 2004. Now, it's funny, I was trying to get it to work before, but it seemed a little hesitant. And every time I moved the joystick, such as like this, aha! The screen rolled! And when I actually picked Summer Games, oh, here's Summer Games, it bailed out of it. I am thinking maybe I have battery issues. I'm not sure. I know one thing, as this supposedly is doing something. I'm going to get us a better lighting situation. So I'm just coming back in the dark here, but I don't hear Summer Games starting. I just see a black screen. Well, isn't that special? You know what? I'm going to turn it off. If I can find the switch in the dark. There, it's off. There, it's on. It just seems a little shaky. Oh, yeah, that's what I was doing before. But, you know, let's just pick something and see if anything's over. Oh, alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that was good. I got bucked off. Okay. I am thinking that oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It's very... I'm still kind of... I wanted to see if Summer Games will come up. Not because I'm particularly wanting to play it. There it is. Nope. Okay. Something is happening here, which is not necessarily good. So, I'll hit the reset button. If I can find it. It's funny, when I first turned it on, there we are, look, quote, ask, quote, comment, come on, yep, run, yep. When I first put it on, it came up with a big Commodore logo. Well, this is always good. Let's try Impossible Mission. Well, at least the beginning comes up. I remember hearing stories about the development of this, and there were a number of people involved, but mostly it was Jerry Ellsworth, who is a self-taught electrical engineering genius from the United States. Okay. Well, there it is. Impossible Mission. It seems that getting this to work right now is the impossible mission. So, what am I going to do, because there seem to be issues here, is I'm going to try and find some nice fresh batteries and see what's what as we continue to explore this now, what was this, 2004 technology, although the game, as you can see, I think you can see, was copyrighted in 1984. So 14 years ago this fine joystick was made, and it seems now that the little itty-bitty mini Commodore 64 is an offshoot of that project. I'll have to look up more stuff. I really have stayed out of all of the sort of modern era stuff. But I guess I'll look and see what I can find. Anyway, So the impossible mission right now is getting this to work. Which, yes, that means once again we are in the Twilight Zone. So, stay tuned. I will grab a screwdriver, because you need a screwdriver to get the batteries out of this, and try to change the batteries, which I think I am capable of doing. Excuse me. And we'll see if we can get this to function next time. Thank you very much for being here as we continue with this impossible mission.